Friendship is a vital ingredient for a fulfilling life, brings us joy, support, and a sense of belonging. However, not every relationship we form is a true friendship. Some connections we mistakenly call friendships can actually be toxic, draining our energy and hindering our personal growth. The ability to differentiate between genuine friendships and toxic relationships is crucial for our mental and emotional well-being. In this video, we will unveil 15 signs that indicate a person may not be a true friend. Equipped with this knowledge, you will be empowered to make informed decisions about your true friends and never fall for fake friendships. Number 1. Constant negativity. A toxic friend seems to bring negative energy wherever they go. They may constantly complain, criticize, or have a pessimistic outlook on life. This negativity can be draining and eventually affect your own mindset. If you find yourself feeling down or overwhelmed by your friend's negative attitude, it's time to reassess the friendship. Number 2. Only around during the good times. A genuine friend is present through both the highs and the lows. They celebrate your achievements and lend a shoulder to cry on when you need it. However, a false friend is only there during the good times, disappearing when you're facing challenges. If you notice this pattern, it's a red flag that the friendship may not be genuine. Number 3. Unreliable and untrustworthy. Trust is the foundation of any strong friendship. Friends should be able to rely on each other and feel confident in sharing personal information. A toxic friend is often unreliable, canceling plans at the last minute or failing to keep promises. They may also share your secrets or gossip about you, breaking your trust. Number 4. Jealous and envious behavior. While healthy competition can be motivating, jealousy and envy can be damaging to a friendship. A toxic friend might begrudge your successes, make passive-aggressive comments, or even try to undermine you. Pay attention to how your friend reacts when you share good news or achieve a goal. Number 5. Excessive gossiping about you. Gossip can quickly erode trust in a friendship. If you find out that your friend has been talking about you behind your back, sharing personal information, or spreading rumors, this is a clear sign of a toxic friendship. A true friend respects your privacy and defends your reputation. Number 6. Always making things about themselves. Friendships should be balanced, with both parties taking an interest in each other's lives. However, a toxic friend might always steer the conversation back to themselves, showing little interest in your thoughts or experiences. This self-centered behavior can leave you feeling unheard and unappreciated. Number 7. Manipulative and controlling behavior. Manipulation and control have no place in a healthy friendship. A toxic friend might try to dictate your choices, pressure you into decisions you're uncomfortable with, or use guilt trips to get their way. Be aware of these patterns and assert your right to make your own decisions. Number 8. Frequent criticism. Constructive criticism can help us grow, but constant, hurtful criticism is damaging. If your friend always seems to find fault with you, nitpick your choices, or belittle your achievements, this is a sign that the friendship is not healthy. Number 9. Lack of emotional support. A true friend provides emotional support, empathy, and understanding during difficult times. A toxic friend, on the other hand, might be dismissive, unsympathetic, or even make light of your struggles. Notice how your friend reacts when you're in need of support. Number 10. They take more than they give. Friendships should be mutually beneficial, with both parties offering support and help when needed. A toxic friend might constantly rely on you for favors or assistance, but is nowhere to be found when you need help. This imbalance can leave you feeling used and undervalued. Number 11. Disrespecting your boundaries. Healthy friendships respect each other's boundaries and personal space. A toxic friend, however, may disregard your boundaries, pressure you into situations you're uncomfortable with, or make intrusive comments about your personal life. Recognize when your boundaries are being violated and communicate your needs clearly. Number 12. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation that involves making someone doubt their own perceptions and experiences. A toxic friend may gaslight you by dismissing your feelings, denying past events, or twisting the truth. This behavior can be extremely damaging to your mental health and sense of self. Trust your instincts and seek support if you suspect you're being gaslighted. Number 13. They never apologize or take responsibility. Accountability is crucial in any friendship. We all make mistakes, but owning up to them and apologizing is a sign of maturity and respect. A toxic friend may deflect blame, make excuses, or avoid taking responsibility for their actions. This can lead to unresolved conflicts and feelings of frustration. Sabotaging your successes. True friends celebrate each other's accomplishments and support each other's growth. A toxic friend, however, might try to sabotage your successes, downplay your achievements, or subtly undermine your confidence. Be aware of this behavior and surround yourself with people who genuinely support and encourage you. Number 15. Your gut feeling tells you something is off. Lastly, trust your instincts. Sometimes we can sense that a friendship is not healthy or genuine, even if we can't pinpoint specific behaviors. Pay attention to how you feel around this person and whether they truly enrich your life. With that said, here are some of the most frequently asked questions. How do I approach a toxic friend about their behavior? Communicating with a toxic friend about their behavior can be challenging, but it's essential to address the issue directly and calmly. Use I statements to express your feelings and avoid accusatory language. Be specific about the behaviors that concern you and explain the impact they have on your well-being. Be prepared for defensiveness, and remember that you cannot control their response, but you can control your actions and boundaries. Should I cut ties with a toxic friend or give them a chance to change? Deciding whether to end a friendship or give the person a chance to change depends on the severity of their behavior and your personal feelings. If you believe the friendship is worth salvaging, set clear boundaries and expectations and give them an opportunity to change. However, if their behavior continues or worsens, or if you feel unsafe or emotionally drained, it may be best to cut ties and prioritize your well-being. How can I identify toxic friendships early on? Pay attention to your instincts and your emotional state when you spend time with a new friend. If you feel constantly drained, insecure, or unhappy after interacting with them, this might be a sign that the friendship is toxic. Also, watch for red flags such as manipulation, excessive criticism, and boundary violations. If you notice these signs early on, it's crucial to set boundaries and consider whether the friendship is worth pursuing. How do I end a toxic friendship? Ending a toxic friendship can be challenging but necessary for your well-being. Be honest with the person about your reasons for ending the friendship and use clear, assertive language. Remember, you have the right to protect your emotional and mental health. If necessary, limit contact, block them on social media, or seek support from other friends and family. How can I help a friend who is in a toxic friendship? If you notice a friend is in a toxic friendship, start by expressing your concerns and providing a listening ear. Be empathetic and avoid passing judgment. Offer support and resources to help them navigate their situation. Remember that, ultimately, they must make the decision to address or end the toxic friendship, but your support can make a significant difference. How do I deal with the guilt of ending a toxic friendship? Ending a toxic friendship can lead to feelings of guilt, especially if you've known the person for a long time. To cope with this guilt, remind yourself that your well-being is a priority and that you have the right to protect your emotional and mental health. Focus on the reasons for ending the friendship and the positive aspects of your life without the toxic influence. It can also be helpful to seek support from other friends, family, or a therapist to help process your emotions. What if the toxic friend is part of a larger friend group? If the toxic friend is part of a larger friend group, navigating the situation can be more complicated. Start by setting boundaries with the toxic individual and minimize one-on-one interactions. Communicate your concerns with other members of the friend group and try to spend time with them separately. If the toxic behavior continues, consider discussing the issue as a group or seeking the support of a mediator. How can I rebuild my self-esteem after a toxic friendship? Rebuilding your self-esteem after a toxic friendship takes time and self-compassion. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments and surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and encourage you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and boost your confidence, such as hobbies, exercise, or volunteering. If necessary, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor to work through the emotional impact of the toxic friendship. Conclusion: Toxic friendships can be harmful to your mental and emotional well-being, but recognizing the signs and taking action can help you cultivate healthier, more supportive relationships. Remember that true friends uplift, support, and enrich your life. Prioritize your well-being and surround yourself with people who genuinely care for you and celebrate your successes. If you have made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. Now, you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 9 poisonous habits that turn you into a weak man. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.